here from Woven Glory and Basket Bases Australia, and today I'm going to show you how to make these super cute little gift tags which are perfect for popping on your Christmas presents, for hanging on your Christmas trees, or for making up and selling as sets at markets, or just giving as gifts. So these are really quick and easy. You just need a pair of scissors. I'm using a 3mm crochet hook. You need your little gift tag. So these come in sets of 6 from Basket Bases Australia, and they come with a variety of little greetings or Christmas messages. And you'll also need your yarn. So I am using a 4-ply cotton. You can use up to 8-ply yarn and you'll get a much fuller, sort of fluffier trim depending on what type of yarn you're using. Or you can see with here I've played with some jute and it's thicker, so you just adjust what you do slightly depending on the fibre that you're using. Okay, so let's get started. I'm just going to take this yarn and fold the end, and we're going to start in the top hole here with the greeting part of the base facing towards you. So we just feed the loop through that top hole there, pop the hook in, and I like to just weave over the tail end as I go, just so that I don't have to do it later. So I do that just by moving this end up and down as I go through each hole. So I'm going to start by making single crochets in the holes. I'm going to do 2 in each hole, and this is single crochet in the US terminology. Normally with a basket base I do the slip stitches first, but this is a little bit easier if you do the single crochet first, but it still works doing the slip stitches first. I've done it both ways and it works out beautifully either way that you go, but today I'm going to do the single crochets first. So put the hook in, pull the yarn through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, so that's 1, and then we're going to go back in to the same hole again. 2. So I've made 2 single crochets in that hole, and I'm just going to bring that tail end down so that I catch it in here, and then I do 2 in the next hole. So we just do this all the way around. You don't have to weave all of that tail in. I just go about 1/4 of the way around, and then you can just trim it off at the end, what's left hanging out. So just continue that all the way around, 2 single crochet in each hole, and then I'll show you the next step after that. So as I mentioned before that you can use different types of fibres. When I use the jute twine or the 8-ply yarn, I only made 1 stitch in each hole. So because the 4-ply is a lot thinner, you can put 2. I even made 1 another time with an even thinner, I don't know what it was like a almost like a sewing thread, and I did 3 stitches in each hole. So you just work out what you need, but in general if you're using 4-ply, 2 stitches, and the 4-ply is what's included in our thread kits. So just coming up to the last hole here. I just make one stitch in the top there, and then I'm going to join by putting my hook through the back of this stitch, just collecting that loop and pulling it through to the back like this. And then I'm actually going to pop the hook in through, back through this first hole. Take that one and pull it through to the front. And now I'm ready to do my slip stitches all the way around, just to finish off and sort of close off those holes in the base there. So I'm just going to put my hook into the hole, collect the yarn and pull it straight through. And I just do this once through each hole. Okay, so I'm just finishing off the slip stitch through here. So when I get back to the top hole here where we started, I'm just going to remove the hook. I'm going to pop it in from behind there, collect that loop on the hook and pull it through to the back, just like that. Then just make a slip stitch sort of chain, and then I'm going to trim, just leaving enough yarn so that you can tie a little loop. There's your, just going to wrap that around to tie a knot to hang. So there you have it, our cute little gift tag. I'll just trim off that tail at the back as well. So super simple, really sweet little idea, and a nice quick project that you can whip up in no time and give as a really lovely handmade gift. Well, happy making. I hope you enjoy making and gifting your gift tags. Have fun. Bye.